everyone, it's Craig from Unleashed Education here. I have just got another really quick editing tip for you that you can put into your editing toolbox, and hopefully you'll find it useful. One of my absolute pet hates is a wonky horizon. It's not always easy when you are navigating a moving dog and the location and getting down low and laying in the wet sand and all of those things that go on at the sessions to actually shoot with the horizon level. But it is really easy to fix afterwards, and I would absolutely recommend that if you have wonky horizons, you should fix them unless you have made the horizon very intentionally wonky to add to a kind of quirky feel to your image, where it's a much more dramatic lean in that horizon line. So the first way I'll show you of two ways is how to do this in Lightroom, and it's dead easy. All you have to do is grab the crop tool, hold down Command, which brings up the angle tool here, or you can click on the angle tool itself. And so holding down that Command button, you can just draw a line along the horizon, and that is as simple as that. Your horizon line is fixed. Now, if for some reason when you are correcting the horizon in Lightroom, if you've got something close to the edges of the frame that you don't want to lose, then I would do this in Photoshop. So we'll head into Photoshop with exactly the same image and do it there now. Occasionally what you can do in Photoshop is if you grab the crop tool, you can kind of do it by sight. Sometimes that's all you need, is just these little extra boxes in the crop tool to line it up. And what you can do then is have your content aware box ticked, so when you crop it, it fills in the edges automatically for you. But you also have a ruler tool in Photoshop as well. That is hiding with the eyedropper here. So if you right click this, you can head to ruler tool here. It brings this up. Again, you just grab and drag it to the level of the horizon. You can grab the endpoints and reposition them as well if you need to. And then once you're happy with where you've got that placed, we just go Image, Image Rotation, Arbitrary, and it's going to have the angle there that it's going to fix it at. So we just go OK. Then we can play with our cropping, get the composition how we want it, and if we need to do any filling there, we can just content aware fill in the usual way with the patch tool. Thanks so much for watching this quick tip. I hope that has helped you add another tool to your toolbox and you'll have less wonky horizons in the future. I'll see you again next time.